Today I'm reviewing Copy.ai in specific to create product descriptions for your e-commerce store.
Nice.
This platform is amazing. You only put a few lines and then you generate amazing copy for your product description. So let's get started so you can see the power of Copy.ai for your e-commerce store. Right here we have the initial panel. As you can see, you have so many options available. Today we're only focusing on product descriptions right here, and then we go and input the name of our business. For this example, I just generated a few lines from Amazon just for you to see. These are bullet point style. They are not ready to actually put on a website. They are super ugly.
You've already made us feel very inadequate.
I wouldn't even think about putting this on a website. However, with Copy.ai, after we generate the copy, it will be ready to go. So right here, the name of the business is Paddle Flow. But before we put it right here, what I like to do is to create a new project so everything is organized. So let's say that you have several businesses, even for your personal life. Let's say that you are creating a Mother's Day card for your mom, etc. You don't want to be combining different projects. So right here you go to actions and then click create new project. So for this one we have project name, and then we put Paddle Flow, which will be the name of the business, and then we put paddleflow.com, and then right here we choose the tone. Depending of the type of business that you have, we pick one of these 6 options. Right here we click adventurous because of the business, and then we click save, and then we just created a new product. This way everything will be super organized when we start creating copy.
Looks good.
After we create our project, we'll be ready to go. Right here for the product name, we'll put Paddle Flow and then describe your product. The more input that you give the system, the better results that you will get. However, let's say that you only have 3 lines. Don't worry about that, because the system will start learning the patterns of what you like and what you're looking for. So right here, for example, we copy this paragraph that I just took from Amazon. Is not product description ready, is not ready for a Shopify website or anything like that. So let's go and create an amazing product description from this, okay? Also, we have this option right here, which is the target audience, the occasion, and the promotion. Let's say that you want to be even more specific to what you're looking for. So let's say that this paddleboard is only for people that love the sea. And then the occasion, let's say, is end of the year sale, or the promotion, we have a special discount or free shipping. We put it right here. For this case, let's just keep it simple and click create right here. Then we wait 30 seconds and we'll have the first product description for our e-commerce store.
One pair of pants later.
So let's go to this one right here.
The Paddle Flow is a lightweight inflatable paddleboard that comes with an adjustable paddle repair kit, etc.
So right here you can see super detailed and it's ready to copy and paste to your product description. Then let's keep going down.
The Paddle Flow is a lightweight inflatable paddleboard designed for beginners and recreational paddlers. It lets you hit the water in less than 10 minutes with a portable convenient setup.
You can see this is ready to go. You only copy and paste. Let's say that this one is one of the favorite ones from all of these. Then we click make more, and then the system will understand what you're looking for. Right here we have the one that we like, and then we have more and more.
Paddle Flow is a lightweight inflatable board that lets you hit the water in less than 10 minutes with a portable convenient setup. The durable, high-performance PVC construction provides excellent flotation, and EVA deck pads are soft on your feet.
Right here you can see it's beautiful, ready to copy and paste. And then we keep going.
The Paddle Flow is a lightweight inflatable paddleboard that lets you hit the water in less than 10 minutes with an easy convenient setup.
We already know about that. And then this one
is an inflatable paddleboard for beginners.
And then we have the same 2 lines, and then
great for weekend trips or family time. It offers great performance at a great price.
So we put a heart into it, and then we look more just like this one, and then so on until you find the one that you really love. And it's super easy. It's the best tool to actually generate copy for your product description. Is super powerful, okay? So then after this, let's go and see this one.
Paddle Flow makes it easy to take to the water. Just inflate and go.
So right here we put a heart into it, and then
this inflatable SUP by Paddle Flow is the fast and easy way to get on the water. Just add water and you're ready to go.
So right here, instead of water, we'll put air, but then we can edit this. So right here we put view saved, and then right here we go to water, and then we put air, And that's it, we're ready to roll. And then you can download this as a CSV file right here, export save. And then you see CSV file if you want to copy and paste using an Excel, a spreadsheet or whatever, or you can copy all, or you can copy one by one and then put it into your website, okay? And remember, this is all inside one project, which is super easy to find. And then let's say that you actually want to write in English, but you have an e-commerce store in Spanish. Maybe you want to get into a different market. Let's say that you want to sell to Germany or South America, etc. Here you can actually input the same copy that we have right here, and then the input language will be English, and then the output language we can put in Spanish. So we have amazing copy in a completely different language, in a different market.
Me he despertado del hipersueño en un planeta extraño.
So if you want to scale to a different country and have amazing quality text inside your website, this is the tool to use. So right here, let me show you. Then we go ahead and put input in English and then output in Spanish. And then we click create, and then the system will give us the information in Spanish. So right here we have a ton of options in Spanish.
Manténgase en forma y activo con la tabla de paddle.
You have so much quality in this platform. Look at this.
La Paddle Flow es una tabla de paddle inflable y ligera que pesa solo 22 libras.
Hola, I'm like, oh.
You see, it literally translated the features and it's making the paragraph beautiful. It's not like a Google Translator or anything like that. It's actually writing. The AI system is writing to sell the paddleboard in a beautiful way. This is just amazing. It blows my mind, the power of this AI system, okay? So let's go and try it with a different product so you can see it's not only with paddleboards, you can do it literally with anything. Let's say that you're selling products, service, you're a coach, or whatever you're trying to do, you can do it with Copy.ai. So right here, let's go back to English American, and then let's create a new project for our new product, which is a webcam. So right here we have the Copyai Webcam Pro. We copy the actual name of the product and then create new project, and then we do project name, we put Copyai Webcam Pro, and then we put the website copywebcampro.com, and then we want a luxury type of feel for this type of copy, and then we click save.
Nailed it.
So now that we have our project ready to go, we go to the playground and we start creating copy for our product description. So right here we copy Copyai Webcam Pro, and then we paste that into our product name, and we have a description that we just copied from Amazon. It's not ready to actually create a website from it. It's not ready for a product description. So right here we do need help targeting a more specific audience. Yes, let's do people working from home, and then occasion, end of the year sale, and then let's do a free shipping offer, and then let's click create for our new project. So again, we have amazing quality. Right here we have
The Copyai Webcam Pro is a true high definition 1920 1080p webcam. Now you can do video conference on your desktop, your laptop, at home.
Right here we will edit there to you or something like that.
You can now see the person on the other end of the line or the lecturer in large and more vivid details.
Right here we have
The Copyai Webcam Pro connects directly to your computer and allows you to make full use of its high definition capabilities, etc.
So right here we can do make more, and then we save this one because we like this one, and then let's see the system. It will start creating more and more for us. Let's go down.
Your old webcam has served you well, but the Copyai Webcam Pro is the next generation and offers so much more.
Right here we love this one. Let's make more, and then you can see it will start generating because the system will learn what you like, what you don't, etc. So the more you click make more, the better it will get.
Magic.
Then we go.
Upgrade to the Copyai Webcam Pro for better sound, sharper video, and industry-leading features.
So as you can see, you have headlines, product descriptions. You can use this platform for so much. It will save you so much time, and it will save you so much money from finding copywriters on other platforms, etc. This will make your life easier. If you are interested in this platform, again, you have 7 days full access down in the description. Go ahead, use that link, and then test it for yourself, for your business, personal brand, or whatever you have going on.
Do it.
Again, if you want to learn the other features from this platform, I have videos for each one: social ads, startup tools, website copy, email letter for your own emails, social media content creation, sales copy, writing tools, brainstorming tools, personal tools. I have videos for each tool inside this platform. If you want to see it in action, or if you want to test it for yourself, again, use the link down below. It will be a lifesaver for you, your business, or whatever you want to use it for. So that is it for today, and I will see you in the next one.